Hey there, John Stevenson, the Guaranteed Retirement Guy. Here I am at gorgeous Lake Tahoe area on Cave Rock. See, I hiked up here. It's right above the road that goes to South Lake Tahoe. And I want to talk to you about premium bonuses that your advisor is pitching you.
We happy? Vincent? We happy?
Yeah, we happy.
They look pretty nice, don't they? A lot of times you can get 10, 15, maybe even 20% in premium bonus. And you think, wow, I got $100,000. I'm going to get $20,000 if it's a 20% premium bonus. Or even a 10% is pretty good. Let's say it's a 10% a premium bonus like you'll get with American Equities. They have a 10-year product that gives you a phenomenal bonus and a great roll-up rate, and it's one of the best on the market for long-term growth for income. But it's a big but. Long-term growth in the actual account from an index, you don't get as much. So that's what you have to remember with any type of bonus. First, it usually takes the entire surrender charge period to get vested fully in that bonus, which means if it's a 10-year surrender charge period, even though you might get a 10% bonus sitting in your account, you're not going to actually be fully vested for that for 10 years, okay? So that's fine. If it's a long-term play, then it's fine. The other thing you have to remember is usually the annuity company will throttle your future gains. Why is that? Well, of course, they want to make money, right? And they just lost some money by giving you that premium bonus. So how do they recoup it? Well, they're buying call options with these indexes, and they might make a buttload of money on these index growth, but they might only share half of it with you. Because guess what? They got to make up for that 10% premium bonus they gave you up front. So that's kind of what you have to think about with these type of annuities. Is the bonus worth it? Do I care about long-term growth? And then, of course, if it's just for income, will that premium bonus be a factor in giving me the highest income payout later on? Because some of them absolutely are a factor. And you don't always have to have a premium bonus. You could have an income benefit bonus, and those can play out very, very well for a lot of long-term income. Now, if you're looking for income, sometimes they work great. But if you're looking just for growth, usually what I tell people is steer clear, okay? Look for something that will give you a high participation rate, high cap rate, decent index growth, and make sure you're looking at indexes that are going to give you a ton of growth long-term, okay? That's really, really important because when it comes to long-term growth, you don't want to fall for some bonus candy, premium candy, what I call it, for a short-term gain to miss out on a whole lot of gain over the long run, okay? Now, of course, if your whole goal is income, that may not even matter at all, okay? But I wanted to share that because when I'm looking at Lake Tahoe here, Lake Tahoe rises and falls with the snow melt, okay? Every single year, this lake, sometimes it'll go up 4 or 5 feet, but then if it's a really dry snow year, it'll go down and it takes a couple years to get back up. So where am I going with this? Well, the first year where it filled up and the lake's high above the brim, that's your bonus. That's your premium bonus, okay? And then, of course, 10 years of drought, well, that's the annuity company throttling your gains, okay? All of your future gains, okay? So you have to remember that is for an upfront bonus, you might not be so happy for the next 10 years on some of the gains. You might only get 4% where you could have got like 7% on average for growth. So you have to think about that. But, if you got an income rider that's paying you 7 or 8 or even 9%, and that's guaranteed and it's used just for income, well, then it might not even matter at all. But I just wanted to kind of talk about that because a lot of people reach out and they're like, I really want this premium bonus. And sometimes when you're replacing a policy and you have a surrender charge of, let's say, 5%, well, a lot of times you have to have an annuity with a premium bonus because you have to be made whole in order for that new annuity company to actually take your premium, to actually take the replacement, okay? They want to make sure it's in the best interest of you, the client, okay? And in order to do that, they have to make sure that they make you whole. So if you're losing 5%, you got $500,000, you got a 5% surrender charge, you're losing $25,000 up front just to replace that with something. So if you got a 10% premium bonus, all right, that's pretty good. You got 50,000 going in, so now you're actually better off than where you were before. And if you have a higher growth rate, especially for income for that new annuity, then it's overall absolutely a great idea. So it all depends on your circumstance, but when I think about premiums, I think about growth, I think about the clients who reach out to me who are misinformed by the agents who just want to sell them something for a commission. Okay, that's not the way I work. I would invite you to book a call with me. You'll notice how transparent I am. I share all of the annuity options. If it pays me 2% commission, I'll sell it to you if it's the best thing for you. I'm not going to sell you a 7% commission if it's not the best thing for you, okay? That's really important to know, that you got someone in your corner, someone who's going to be there to help you during the sell and well after the sell, well after the commission is paid. So, all right, well, it's getting hot. It's still the summertime, even though my kids are in school, but I thought it would be kind of nice to create a video by Lake Tahoe, because I live about 30 minutes from here, and I'm usually in the studio. So I thought, you know what? I need to do some videos out in the woods, need to do some videos out on the lake. So hopefully you've enjoyed some of these videos kind of just in a different setting, but still hopefully you've been able to get some value. And if you have, I hope you like, I hope you subscribe, hope you share, and I hope if you're looking for an annuity, I hope you feel comfortable booking a call with me. I'd love to help you find the best one for you. So again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Hey, thanks for watching. If you've learned anything in this video, please go to the comments section below, share with me your thoughts, and share it with the community. Look forward to chatting with you through that.